So, you've been curious about getting into epoxy pour projects, but maybe you're not quite sure where to start. What epoxy do you need? How do you mix it? What about colors? And what's a good first project that won't get you in over your head? In this video, we show you how to get started in the wonderful world of epoxy pour projects. Today, we're making a simple set of colorful epoxy coasters, a fun, beginner-friendly project that'll let you get a good idea of how to mix, color, and pour epoxy without taking on a huge project. And the best part? Everything you need to get started is right here in the exclusive Infinity Tools 5-piece Custom Epoxy Starter Kit. You get Moss Deep Pour Epoxy Resin and Hardener, a reusable graduated mixing cup, a power drill mixing paddle, a Moss leveling trowel, plus 30 eye candy pigments and colors to experiment with and really make the project your own. So if you've been wanting to try your hand at epoxy, grab your kit and follow along. By the end of this video, you'll have your first epoxy project under your belt and a pretty cool set of coasters to show for it. We started with a 7/8" thick board of sapele, resawed it into thinner pieces, and planed those slices down to 3/8 inch. We cut our blanks to 4.5 by 4.5 inches, found the center, and milled a 3-inch diameter recess, 1/8 inch deep using a 3-inch Forstner bit. Finally, we added a chamfer to all 4 edges. That gives the finished coaster a clean, refined look and makes it ready for the epoxy. Moss Deep Pour Epoxy mixes at a simple 3:1 ratio by volume, 3 parts resin to 1 part hardener. And the graduated mixing cup makes getting that ratio right quick and easy. Now for the mixing. With the drill turned off, insert the mixing paddle into the epoxy. Keep the paddle completely submerged, then slowly bring the drill up to speed. The key here is simple, slow and steady. You want thorough mixing without whipping unnecessary air into the epoxy. Mix for at least 90 seconds, then shut off the drill before removing the paddle. This is where the fun really starts. Choose your favorite eye candy pigments and create your own custom color combinations. And don't feel like everything has to be perfectly uniform. Try blending several colors together for a swirling, variegated effect, or create distinct rivers of contrasting color. There are no rules here. Experiment, get creative, and make it yours. Here's a handy trick. Place the mixing paddle in an empty can and spin it at speed. The excess epoxy will sling right off. Set the paddle aside to cure, and once the epoxy hardens, it can simply be peeled from the flexible blades. Now it's time to pour. Apply the epoxy wherever your design calls for it, and use the included notched trowel to help control the flow and guide the epoxy exactly where you want it. Just like the mixing paddle, the epoxy can be allowed to cure on the trowel and then peeled away when it's dry. Once your pour is complete, move the project to a clean, dust-free area and let it cure overnight. After the epoxy has fully set, you can sand the surface through progressively finer grits. Take it all the way to polishing grits for that deep, glossy finish, or stop at the sheen that best fits your project. And there you have it. You've taken a few pieces of wood, some epoxy, and a little imagination and turned them into something completely your own. The Infinity Tools Epoxy Starter Kit gives you the tools and materials to get started. From simple coasters to furniture, river tables, decorative accents, and everything in between, the adventure is just beginning.